Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock where Radhakishan Damani has bought 2,70,000 shares at Rs 4,259.99. HDFC Mutual Fund was the seller with 2,73,706 shares sold at Rs 4,260. Now friends, this is in a sector which will always be evergreen. However, this is not a new position for Radhakishan Damani. He also holds a huge chunk of this company for a very long time. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is VST Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 4,560.45 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is VSTIND. Now VST Industries Limited is an India-based company which is engaged in the manufacture of cigarettes containing tobacco and unmanufactured tobacco. The company operates through tobacco and other related products segment. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has had a beautiful uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here. Even today, the stock rallied. The market cap of the company is 7,042.21 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 168.68 means that this stock is trading at a reasonable price to earnings ratio of 27.04, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 25.05. The book value of 430.02 translates into a price to book ratio of 10.61, however, which is slightly on the higher side. The company has a debt to equity of 0, which means that it's a debt-free company, whereas the return on equity for this stock is an equally strong number at 0.4364. The company has a good dividend yield of 2.08%, whereas the promoter holding of 32.16% is on the lower side. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Also friends, please remember that this transaction took place yesterday and the news may already be known to some sections of the market. Please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.